Hi, welcome to Lavanya's Art. In this video, I am going to review this newly launched Brustro metallic pencils. There are 12 set of metallic pencils inside. In this video, I am going to check for the metallic shine of these pencils, build quality, break resistance, layering and mixing of the colors. Please watch the video completely so that you are not going to miss any important information I am going to share about these pencils. See, this Brustro metallic pencils have come in really good tin packing. It is very tiny and it is very easy to carry also. Look at it. So there are 12 shades of metallic pencils inside this. Let us see what is written on the box first. See, these are wax based 3.3 mm leads, shimmering metallic pigment, smooth and rich lay down, blends easily together, break resistant, ergonomic hexagonal barrel design. So there are set of 12 pencils inside and you can see there is a beautiful artwork on the case. So this is done with these pencils, I guess. So you can see these are the shades available inside the pack. Let us try these pencils. So whatever they have mentioned here, let's see whether it is true or not. So first we'll check for the shape of the pencils. Yes, as they mentioned, these are hexagonal pencils. So I think these pencils will have better grip while holding them rather than round pencils. And we'll also check for the break resistance of these pencils. So I am using Staedtler sharpener. If you want to check this sharpener, I have added the link in the description box, so you can directly buy them from Amazon. This will have storage, so it is very useful for me so that I don't have to get up in between to throw this pencil dust. Yeah, I did not find any breakage here. Let me sharpen few other pencils so that we'll get some better idea. Yeah, they are really good. They are break resistant. And these are very easy to sharpen also. See, I am not putting much effort while sharpening. Now we'll just look at the shades of the pencil. These are all metallic shades. This is gold, this is antique gold, and this is bronze red, gold and charcoal violet. Let us just try it with them and see. Let us make the swatches out of these pencils. So here I am using white and black paper both, so that you can see the difference on white paper how it is going to look and on the black paper as well. So this is electric blue, yes, there is a metallic shine on the paper. You can see that clearly here. In black paper it is not that vibrant because it is getting mixed with the black, because it is also a darker color. Maybe other colors will look brighter on the black paper. Let's see. This is green glimmer. Yes, I can see the metallic shine and it is looking more vibrant on the white paper. Let us see on the black. In black paper it is not that much vibrant, so it is just getting mixed with the black and you can see there is a greenish shine. This is steel metallic, steel metallic. So this is also a kind of green shade. I think it will look good on the black paper. Let's see. In black paper these colors are appearing much darker. This is violet shimmer. This is ruby metallic. Wow, this color looks so beautiful. I like this color. I think we can use these pencils for any jewelry details. This is copper orange. Even I love this color. This looks so beautiful. This is silver. Yeah, it looks quite good on the white paper. Let us try on the black. In black paper, all the colors are looking little muted. I think these are more preferable on the white paper, I guess. This is cotton candy. Wow, even this color is so beautiful. See, very light pink and it has shine. This is charcoal violet. Okay, this is so dark. And even this has very beautiful metallic shine. I am really excited to try these pencils in my artwork. This is gold. Let's see how the gold looks. It looks more yellowish. Let me try on the black paper. Yeah, the color is more vibrant on the white paper only. In black paper, these colors are looking dull. This is bronze red. There are lovely colors inside. I am really liking these colors. Wow. This is antique gold. Okay. Now you see the swatches and compare them in white paper and the black paper. So here on the white paper they are looking more vibrant, whereas in the black paper they are looking more muted and not much pigment is visible here. And if you look for the metallic shine, yes, there is metallic shine on this. You can see, I think, and even here you get to see the metallic shine. Yes, in black paper you can see much more shining. In white paper there is less shining visible. In black paper there is more shining. And you have observed, even while drawing these swatches also, I did not observe any breakage. That means these are really break resistant. While applying them on the paper also, I felt they are really good quality. Let us test for the blending of these pencils. Whether these are easily blendable or do you have to give more effort in blending. Yeah, let me try mixing this copper orange and gold. I will start with the copper orange. I want to blend these two colors, right? So first I am using hatching lines. I will just darken it at the beginning. Okay. Now from the left side I am going to apply gold. Yes, they are blending really well. I can see there is soft transition. So look at here, you cannot see there are two different colors. Yes, there is really good blending over here. See, these two colors are really blended well. Now we will make some drawing out of these color pencils and see how it is going to look. See, I have made this outline. I am going to color it using these pencils now. If you are a portrait drawing artist like me, I think these pencils will be useful in making cloth details as well as some shimmery objects like jewelries, and also you can use them to create the makeup look. These pencils are very easy to lay down on the paper. There is no friction. I am applying them very smoothly. Here I am using silver and green shades. Also gold shades where it is required. Here I use white pencil for some area. This is a regular Brustro white pencil. See, these pencils are really good for layering also. I am using multiple colors, layering top of each other. Here I am using white pencil also along with these metallic pencils, only for some highlights. Yeah, I have tried these pencils. Let's see what I felt after using these pencils. Yes, there are 12 different shades of metallic pencils inside, and there is variation between each and every shade. We can also get good metallic shine. Pigmentation also really good on the white paper, but when we use them on black paper, the pigmentation is becoming little dull and muted, but you can see the metallic shine. So if you are expecting some muted tones, then you can definitely use these pencils on the black paper as well, but they are really good on the white paper. When it comes to the build quality, yes, they have made up with a good quality wax. Also the wood of the pencil is really strong. It is break resistant. It is protecting the lead very much. Since it is in hexagonal shape, it is very easy to hold and have grip while drawing. While sharpening and drawing with these pencils, I have experienced very minimal breakage. Yeah, you have seen that I have made one drawing using these pencils, right? So while sharpening and including the drawing, I just experienced lead breakage only one time. That is very minimum in the colored pencils. So if you are someone who are already used to colored pencils, you might be knowing how often they get break. But these pencils, I have not experienced that. I have tested these pencils with other Brustro colored pencils also. So they do layer well on the Brustro colored pencils, and also blending and the color mixing is also really good. This is the first time ever I have used metallic shades of pencils. I am really happy with the product. So if you are someone who are looking for a metallic shades of pencils in affordable price, then you can definitely go for these pencils. I think the price is around 600 rupees. I have also added the link in the description box, so please check, and you can also buy from there if you want. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be making product reviews, drawing tutorials and art entrepreneurship videos. If you want to check my work, please visit my Instagram, Lavanya's Art, where I'll share all of my drawings. I also conduct drawing workshops. I do have portrait drawing courses as well. So if you are interested in learning portrait drawing, you can contact me through my mail ID. If you are till here at the end of the video, I know you must be really passionate about the color pencils. That is why I have also added this Brustro skin tone set review on the end screen. So please check that as well.